Welcome back to Infinity Studios. Today we are diving into the exciting world of anime character design. Whether you are a seasoned artist or just starting out, creating unforgettable characters is key to captivating your audience. Let's get started. Design secrets for unforgettable anime characters. First up, let's talk about silhouette. A strong silhouette makes a character instantly recognizable. Think about iconic characters like Goku or Naruto or Deku. Their shapes are distinct and memorable even in a crowd. When sketching, simplify your character's outline. Use contrasting shapes, tall and slender or short and stout. This not only makes them stand out, but also conveys personality at a glance. Next, we have color theory. Color plays a crucial role in conveying emotions and personality. Consider how colors affect perception. Warm colors like red and orange evoke energy, while cool colors like blue and green can suggest calmness or mystery. When choosing a color palette, stick to 2 to 3 dominant colors and use accent to draw attention to key features like their eyes or accessories. Now, let's discuss facial expressions. A character's face can tell you everything about their mood and personality. Practice drawing a variety of expressions: joy, anger, surprise. This not only enhances their relatability, but also keeps your audience engaged. Use exaggeration to amplify emotions. Think about how a character's eye and mouth can transform their expression dramatically. Moving on to clothing design. Your character's outfit tells a story. It reflects their background, personality, and even their journey. Think about what your character does and how that influences their style. A warrior might wear armor while a schoolgirl might have a uniform. Incorporating unique details like patterns or accessories can make your character feel more lived in and authentic. Another important aspect is quirks and flaws. Perfect characters can feel unrealistic. Give your characters unique traits, habits, or flaws that make them relatable. Maybe they have a nervous tick, a favorite snack, or a fear of spiders. These details make your characters more human and can lead to deeper storytelling opportunities. Don't forget about backstory. Every character has a past that shapes who they are. Think about their motivations and experiences. This depth adds layers to your character, making them more engaging. When you understand their history, you can make more informed design choices that reflect their journey. Finally, let's explore the importance of dynamic posing. A character's pose can communicate a lot about their personality. Are they confident, shy, or aggressive? Practice drawing your character in various poses that reflects their mood or action. This not only enhances your design but also brings your character to life on the page. To wrap it up, remember these key secrets: strong silhouettes, thoughtful color choices, expressive faces, unique clothing, relatable quirks, rich backstories, and dynamic poses. With these tools in your creative toolbox, you'll be well on your way to designing unforgettable anime characters. Thanks for joining me today. Keep experimenting, keep creating, and as always, happy drawing.